Hi, I'm Josh Newton, Senior Sales Engineer at Mend. Today, I'm going to show you how Mend and Docker are working together to solve one of the most persistent challenges in container security, vulnerability noise. Developers are overwhelmed with thousands of CVE alerts across container images, but the vast majority of those are tied to base images, which your applications never touch and your team cannot directly fix. By pulling Docker's VEX statements directly into the Mend platform and combining them with Mend's reachability analysis, the two systems automatically separate base image noise from the vulnerabilities that actually matter. This allows your team to focus on the risks that are genuinely exploitable in your application layer. Let me show you how it works. Here in the Mend platform, I can see the results of a Mend image scan of an application which uses the Python Docker hardened image. When I focus on the findings, there are 94 CVEs in my application. My first priority are the reachable vulnerabilities, so I'll enable that reachable risk factor. We now have 12 CVEs that are reachable, and the Docker VEX statement lets me know that 4 of those are not affected, so I can focus on these 8 instead of the original 94. That's the integration in action. As you can see, together, Mend and Docker hardened images can cut the noise and help your team start focusing on the vulnerabilities that matter.